Two contestants from opposite sides of the world with a half a century difference in age. Our first contestant today hails from Port Chester, New York in the USA. Weighing in at 18 pounds, 14.6 ounces, powered by 58.2 cubic centimeters of American steel, spinning at a maximum speed of 10,500 RPM, sporting a 20-inch bar and pulling a 3/8 pitch full chisel chain. This saw is over half a century old and ready to chew wood and the competition. He will be making 3-time cuts through 11-inch oak logs. Let's get ready to rumble! Our second contestant today hails from the Yuzhoukee province in China. Weighing in at 15 pounds, 8.4 ounces, powered by 62 cubic centimeters of new high-tech alloy, spinning at a maximum speed of 12,300 RPM, sporting a 20-inch bar, pulling a .325 pitch full chisel chain. This saw is the new kid on the block and wanting to prove he has what it takes to hang with the big boys. He will be making 3-time cuts through an 11-inch oak log also. Let's get ready to rumble!
Well guys, that was too close for me to call, so I'm going to have to wait until I go in and actually do the editing. I'm going to time the cuts from the time it first touches the log, once I see chips come off on the video, to when the disc starts to fall. And so whatever numbers you see flash on the screen, or saw flash on the screen just a moment ago, that's what I was doing. So as soon as it touches the log, until the disc starts to drop. And I don't know, that was really close. So I understand that even though this Homelite is almost 50 years old, whoever rebuilt it did a really good job. So this is the one that Mike down in Texas sent me, and I had to fix the oiler and the kill switch on it. I did that the day after the video when I introduced it, and I made a set of spikes for it. They're not made to look like what actually comes on these. I didn't have a pattern for it. Anybody that's got a set of these spikes, if you would take a picture and send it to me, I would appreciate it so that I can copy them and make a set for this one that looks more like the original. And then this guy, in the videos that you've seen with this in the past, it was tuned for about 10,500, and I boosted it up to 12,300, somewhere in there. and oh boy, it's a fun little saw. Now, if I were to go out for a day of cutting trees, to be honest with you, I'm going to take this one simply because it has the anti-vibration handles, whereas this one is a rigid mount, and I'm sure by the end of the day I would be beaten to death. But as far as how well they cut one just as well as the other. The thing is that used, you can buy these for about what you could buy this. So really price-wise, it's kind of a non-issue. You can't buy these new, they don't exist anymore. Homelite's not making this type of saw anymore, so find them on eBay, whatever. But this guy, you can get them all day long. There's like a dozen different versions of it, and it's a good little saw. Of course, I'm right now kind of partial to the Yuzhoukee. I've got two of them, and they're running rather well. We'll have the big guy up on a video soon. There's a few videos in between. I've got to get some of these logs out of the way before I can get to the big walnut one. So I might have to do some bandsaw mill videos for a while. But anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.